Hamjambo. Welcome to the Swahili classroom. Have you ever felt something and all you need is to express it out how you feel? So today we are exactly going to handle that. Swahili feelings. So how do you express your feelings in Swahili? But before that, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss on any of our lessons. So here we go. Hisia, feelings. Hisi, to feel. Nafurahi, I'm happy. Ninafurahi, I'm happy. Huzuni, to be sad. Hasira, anger. Anger, hasira. Uchovu, being tired. Nina uchovu, I'm tired. Sinzia, sleepy. Sinzia, sleepy. Ninasinzia, I'm feeling sleepy. Shangaa, get surprised. Kuwa na wasiwasi, get worried. Uoga, afraid. Nina uoga, I'm afraid. Aibu, shame. Alipatwa na aibu, she was got with shame. Utulivu, calm. Nina utulivu moyoni mwangu, I feel so calm. Msisimko, excited. Kiu, thirst.